and it's not stiff. I'm Natural Mana, and on this channel, and today, oh my god, I'm over this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Natural Mana, and today I am going to be showing you how I do bob faux locks, but this time I'm gonna switch it up and I'm gonna add a bang. Today I'm gonna be using three yaman braids in the color 4. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, let's boogie. So I've already washed my hair, oiled my scalp. So yeah, I'm ready. This is what I use: the Blue Organic castor oil, and I also have olive oil. Hair treatment. I did a hair treatment using sea moss coffee and matcha, and my hair has been so strong ever since. Like, you can just feel the strength. Because normally I comb my hair, everything will just come out, and this is all I have. Alright, I'm gonna section my hair in 2. Because I'm gonna do the back first, and then I do the top. This kind of have a more natural look, but it's a little bit brown. My hair is not that brown. Yeah. Okay, I'm starting to get distracted because I have a mirror in front of me. So let me just focus on it again. Use this comb to part my hair. I plait the root, and then I just twist it down, but not completely. I don't really put much effort on the back of my hair. I just leave it, really. I also don't normally separate these, but I've learned where it makes it look a little bit more neater. Normally don't do that, but yeah. Remember, I'm doing a bob faux lock, so I don't really need this much hair at the back, so that's why I'm cutting it. Going down, I want to spread it around because you want to fill in all these spaces. And I'm just going for a medium look. So not something jumbo. So because I forgot to bend this hair, this part. I had to bend right here because remember I'm giving a bob look. And I don't want to be I'm not gonna cut the hair just yet to the desired length that I want. Really, I'm so tired. My hands hurt. My hair to be, what I say, I want it to look natural, so I don't make it that neat, if you get what I'm saying. So I don't want it to be very neat. I want it to look like it's natural. And like I showed you before, this is the length of my hair right now. And remember, I'm trying to get the band right here. So I'm just gonna take a twist and I'm gonna wrap my own hair around me. It's almost like I'm full locking my hair, but I'm only using the end of my hair to wrap around the top part of my hair. If you have rubber bands, elastic bands, and all sorts of black bands, you can use them to secure it. I think it will be quicker rather than just wrapping like I am doing. So just look right here, I'm just gonna wrap it around. Hey guys, so it is now 3:20 p.m. and I started at 11:30 a.m. this morning. So I'm at the bangs and I'm just gonna show you I'm at the bangs. So let's get these bangs banging. Okay, I'm so over myself right now, but I'm over this hairstyle and I'm even talking crap. I know you guys are over it. Over me saying I'm over it. It's hard to say, right? Like, I'm so tired. I'm doing something with my Saturday, man. Instead, I'm doing this hairstyle. But I wanted it, so I have to suffer it. Together right there. I'm just gonna stop. I'm still gonna use these here, but I want to start from the top. Okay guys, so I didn't tell you and I didn't show it on camera, but I can't show it on camera because it's hilarious. So I was using a lighter to burn the hair, but what I have to use now is matches, because the lighter, I don't know what happened, but it's just not working. So, and then the matches is really hard to use, so I have to be away from the camera and not to be like, oh. So you know, and I'm not gonna tire for that right now. So now let me just continue the remaining of my hair. Ooh, I can hear my hair breaking. I need to stop holding it like that. So I'm just gonna start at the bottom and then I'm just gonna go to the top because I want to see the frame of my face. I want to see if it's gonna, you know, I'm trying to get there. So I'm just gonna start from these areas, then I make my way up to the top. Here we go. Hey guys, so it's now 7 p.m. and I just finished my hair. I actually ran out of hair, so I had to make do. So I had to part some bigger, but that's fine. I like it anyhow. What was I saying again? But yeah, it's now 7 p.m. and I just finished, so I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. Comment down below if you like the style. If you don't, let me know too. So and if you have any suggestions, also let me know. But yeah, I've been wanting to do bangs with locks for a while now, so yeah, it's really nice for my first try. And it's not stiff, it's really, yeah. Okay, bye guys.